Hello everyone, good morning students. In previous class we discussed about the chapter trigonometric equations, okay, and in that class we discussed about all three types of trigonometric equations as sin x is equal to cos x, sin x is equal to sin alpha, cos x is equal to cos alpha, and tan x is equal to tan alpha, and we discuss about their solutions. Okay, now let's see some revision. Yesterday we discussed about the trigonometric equation sin x is equal to sin alpha, and the general solution of that equation is what x is equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the power n into alpha. Similarly, we discussed another type of trigonometric equation as cos x is equal to cos alpha and their solution. Second one, cos x is equal to cos alpha and their solutions is x is equal to 2n pi plus minus alpha. Okay, and next we discuss about the trigonometric equation as tan x is equal to tan alpha and their solution is what x is equal to n pi plus alpha. Okay, so dear students, in previous class we discussed all three types of trigonometric equations and their solution, and we also proved the solution of the given trigonometric equation. Okay, and also we solve some questions based on them. Okay, today we take some important questions of your NCERT exercise based on trigonometric equations. Okay, now let's see some questions. So dear students, we take the questions. Solve the equation. Solve the equation sin x plus sin 3x, sin x plus sin 3x plus sin 5x is equal to 0. Okay, this is our question. We solve that trigonometric equation as sin x plus sin 3x plus sin 5x. Okay, now let's see its solution. Here dear students, we take first sin 5x and sin x together and solve it at the identity sin c plus sin d. We know that na, in previous, that is trigonometric function, we discuss about all different types of trigonometric identities as sin c plus sin d also. So here we take sin 5x and sin x together and solve it. Let's see. First we take sin 5x plus sin x together and we write sin 3x as it is, and this is equal to 0. Okay, now let's see. Here we solve that identity on the formula sin c plus sin d. Let's see. The formula for sin c plus sin d is 2 sin c plus d by 2. 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2, that is 5x minus x by 2, and here we write sin 3x as it is, and this is equal to 0. Now let's see. That is, we have 2 sin 6x by 2, that is 3x, into cos 5x minus x as what, 4x, and 4x upon 2 we get 2x. Okay, cos 2x plus here we write sin 3x is equal to 0. Okay, now let's see. Now we get two terms here. First term is 2 sin 3x into cos 2x plus another term is sin 3x. Now we take sin 3x as common of both the terms. Okay, now here we take sin 3x as common. This is common now. So we get what in another bracket, 2 cos 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, we find that what 2 cos 2x plus in that part, that is 1 is equal to 0. Now we take sin 3x is equal to 0. Now we take again 2 cos 2x plus 1 as equal to 0. Now if sin 3x is equal to 0, then we have Sin 3x is equal to, this is the value of what? Sin 0 na? Because of, you know that the value of sin 0 is 0. Yes, sin 0 degree. So we have sin x. So this is the trigonometric equation in the at the form of sin x is equal to sin alpha. Sin x is equal to sin alpha na. So we have what? X is equal to, x means what? 3x. So we have 3x is equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the power n into alpha means what? 0. Here the value of alpha is 0 na. So let's see, we have what? We have 3x is equal to only n pi, that term is 0. So x is equal to n pi plus 3. This is one answer. So dear students, in this way we have one solution of sin x plus sin 3x plus sin 5x is equal to 0 as what? X is equal to n pi by 3. Now again we take 2 cos 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, let's see. And or now we take what? 2 cos 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, now we get what? Cos 2x is equal to minus 1 by 2. Cos 2x is equal to minus 1 by 2. Now we get what? Let's see. Cos 2x is equal to, this right as what? Cos, this is the value of what? 60 na? Pi by 3. Okay, cos pi by 3. Cos of the value of cos 60 is 1 by 2. And here minus here. So because, and we know that the trigonometric equation in the form of cos x is equal to cos alpha. So first we replace the minus by using the identity of trigonometric function. Let's see. Cos 2x is equal to cos pi minus pi by 3. Because we know that, dear students, cos pi minus theta is equal to minus cos theta. So we write this value in that way, that is pi minus pi by 3. So we get what? Cos 2x is equal to cos 2 pi by 3. So we get what? Cos 2x is equal to cos 2 pi by 3. Now dear student, this is the form of the trigonometric equation cos x is equal to cos alpha. So the general solution of that equation will be what? Let's see. Here, dear students, we have what? Cos 2x is equal to what? Cos 2 pi by 3. So that is cos alpha, cos x is equal to cos alpha. So the general solution are that x as 2x is equal to 2n pi plus minus alpha means 2 pi by 3. So the value of x is what? To divide it both the terms. So we get n pi, 2 to cancel to each other, plus minus pi by 3. This is another answer. And this is another answer. So there are two solutions of this trigonometric equation as what? N pi plus minus pi by 3. So here n be any integers, and another solution of that equation is n pi by 3. Okay. So dear students, we can solve all the trigonometric equations in this way using the all the formula of that equations. Okay. Now dear student, we take some other questions of your NCERT exercise. Okay, let's see. Now dear students, we take some other question of trigonometry equation as, let's see, solve the equations. This is the NCERT question. Solve the equation. Your equation is sin 2x plus cos x is equal to 0. Okay. This is one of the most important question of your NCERT exercise, and we solve the trigonometry equation as sin 2x plus cos x is equal to 0. Okay, let's see its solution. Dear students, first of all we write that equation in this way as sin 2x. Okay, and we know that all three types of trigonometric equation in the form of sin x is equal to cos sin alpha, cos x is equal to cos alpha, and tan x is equal to tan alpha. Here your equation is the form of cos x is equal to sin alpha, sin 2x. First of all we convert into the cosine, cos theta. Since we know that cos pi by 2 plus theta is equal to minus sin theta, we know that na. So now we write this equation, this trigonometry equation in the form of, let's see, cos x is equal to minus replaceable na, by cos pi by 2 plus theta means 2x. Okay, so dear students, we write that trigonometry equation in that way, that is cos pi by 2 plus 2x, because of we know that cos pi by 2 plus theta as what? Minus sin theta. So now we have the trigonometry equation on the form of cos x is equal to cos alpha na, cos x is equal to cos alpha. So their general solution will be kya? X is equal to 2n pi plus minus what? Alpha, and alpha means what? This pi by 2 plus 2x. Take equation 1, take equation first, and here n belongs z. Now let's see, first of all we take positive sign, so we get one solutions. Now we get, when we take minus sign, then we get another solution. So there are two solution of that trigonometric equation. Now first we take positive sign. So x is equal to what? 2n pi plus pi by 2 plus 2x, pi by 2 plus 2x na. Now let's see, we transfer that side, we get what? Now let's see, we transfer that side, we have what? X minus 2x is equal to what? 2n pi plus pi by 2, and we have as minus x is equal to 2n pi plus pi by 2. So we have as x is equal to what? X is equal to what? Minus 2n pi minus pi by 2, or we have x is equal to, if we take minus pi is common, then we have what? Minus 2n minus 1 by 2 into pi, where n belong z. So this is one solution of the given trigonometric equation. Okay, similarly we take what? Negative sign. Similarly we can take, let's see, similarly we take negative sign. So what we get? Let's see, we get as x is equal to, what? 2n pi minus pi by 2 minus plus minus 2x. So we get what? X plus 2x is equal to 2n pi minus pi by 2. So we get what? 3x is equal to 2n pi minus pi by 2. So we have as x is equal to 2n pi by 3 minus pi by 2. This is another answer. Okay, let's see, check it. Sorry, 3 to the 6 na? Yes, pi by 6. So this is another answer where n belong z. So dear students, we can solve all the trigonometry equation of this form in this way. Okay, first of all you remember all the trigonometry equation, form of trigonometry equation as sin x is equal to sin alpha, cos x is equal to cos alpha, and tan x is equal to tan alpha. Then after you apply all the concept of trigonometry function. So first of all, dear students, we write this equation in that way, that is cos x is equal to minus sin 2 alpha. Okay, now we convert it into the cosine, that we write cos pi by 2 plus alpha. Now we get, first we reduce this equation na, and we get what, cos x is equal to cos alpha. Then the general solution of that is x is equal to 2 and pi plus minus alpha. That formula we discussed in previous class, and also we proved that result. Okay, now we take positive sign, so we get what, this value, and when we take negative sign we get this value. So both are the general solutions of the trigonometry equation sin 2x plus cos x is equal to 0. Okay, so dear students, in this way you can solve all the questions of your NCERT exercise based on trigonometric equations. Now we take some other questions, some other NCERT question based on trigonometric equation. Let's see. Your NCERT question, let's take solve the equation. Solve the equation 2 cos square x plus 3 sin x is equal to 0. Right. This is your trigonometry equation, and we solve that equation. Your question is solve the trigonometry equation 2 cos square x plus 3 sin x is equal to 0. What we do? Let's see. This, first of all, we convert into the same trigonometry function. We don't convert sin x in the form of cos x. Only we write sin x as cos pi by 2 minus 3x, but there are no requirement of that formula. Here cos square x converted into the sin square x as what? Using the trigonometric identity sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. So we replace cos square x as 1 minus sin square x. Okay, so we have the quadratic equation in the form of sine. Okay, let's see its solution. First of all, this is the given, since we know that cos square x is equal to 1 minus sin square x. Now we know that na. So from equation we have 2 into 1 minus sin square x, 2 into 1 minus sin square x plus 3 sin x is equal to 0. So what we have, 2 minus 2 sin square x plus 3 sin x is equal to 0. Now we get, transfer that side, we get 2 sin square x minus 3 sin x minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, so dear students, we reduce that trigonometry equation in the form of 2 sin square x minus 3 sin x minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, now let's see. This is the quadratic equation in sin x. We know that na. We know that any quadratic equation in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is the form of any quadratic equation. So here this is the quadratic equation in the form of sin x. So first we factorize that equation. And we get, let's see, we have to do the 4, so we write this equation as 2 sin square x minus 4 sin x plus 1 sin x as sin x. Okay, minus 2 is equal to 0. Because of when we subtract minus sin x, we split the middle term. If we subtract minus sin x and plus sin x, then we get what? Minus 3x. Okay, now we form pair and take common from both the pairs. Here we common as 2 sin x. So we get what? Sin x minus 2. Okay, here we take as minus 1 as common, so we have sin x minus 2 is equal to 0. Sin x minus 2 is equal to 0 na. Okay, now let's see, we have sin x minus 2 in one bracket and 2 sin x plus 1 in one bracket, okay. Now let's see, first we take that is equal to 0, then we take that is equal to 0. Suppose if sin x minus 2 is equal to 0, then sin x is equal to 2. This is not possible. No any value of sin degree as 2. So we take here we don't find any solution of that equation. Now again we take this. If let's see, if we take 2 sin x plus 1 is equal to 0, then we get what? If we take 2 sin x plus 1 is equal to 0, then we get 2 sin x is equal to minus 1. 2 sin x is equal to minus 1. So we have sin x is equal to minus 1 by 2. So we have sin x is equal to, this is the value of what? Sin 30. So we write minus sin pi by 6. And also we write that equation in this way, sin x is equal to sin minus pi by 6. Because of, we know that sin minus theta is equal to minus sin theta. So we replace minus as this form. We write minus sin pi by 6 as sin minus pi by 6. Okay. So dear students, let's see. This is the form of sin x is equal to sin alpha. So we get x is equal to what? N pi plus minus 1 to the power n into alpha means minus pi by 6. Minus pi by 6. This is one. This is the final answer. This equation we may retain in the form of, let's see, we write also in this way, plus minus 1 to the power n, and minus 1 take as common, so minus 1 to minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 to the power n plus 1 into pi by 6. This is your final answer. Both are your answer, but this question can be written in the form of this also. So dear students, today we solve, there are different trigonometric equations. Okay, so first you observe that what is the form of the given trigonometric equations. Okay, so first of all we convert into the same trigonometric function, then after it you solve it easily. Here this is the your trigonometric equation given as 2 cos square x plus 3 sin x is equal to 0. First we convert cos square as x as 1 minus sin square x. So we put the value of cos square x in that equation. We get 2 into 1 minus sin square x plus 3 sin x is equal to 0, and after multiplying we get this, and this equation is the form of quadratic equation in the form of sine. Okay, now we splitted the middle term as we get as sin x minus 2 into 2 sin x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now we take this equal to 0. This is not possible. So now we take 2 sin x plus 1 is equal to 0. Then we get 2 sin x is equal to minus 1. That is sin x is equal to minus 1 by 2. Sin x is equal to minus 1 by 2. So that this is the form. Now we write 1 by 2 as sin pi by 6. Okay. So, here we replace minus as sin minus pi by 6. So we get sin x is equal to sin alpha. So we know that the general equation for sine is x is equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the power n into alpha. Here the value of alpha is minus pi by 6. Okay, and minus pi by 6 we write as minus 1 take as common, so we get x is equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the power n plus 1 because of minus 1 to the power n into minus 1. So we write minus 1 to the power n plus 1 into pi by 6. So this is our final answer. So dear students, in this way you can solve all the questions of your NCERT exercise based on trigonometric functions. First you practice, you do more and more practices of each and every questions and examples. Okay, now then after you can solve all the questions of your NCERT exercise. Okay, now we take some other question of NCERT. based on trigonometric equation. Let's see. Let's see some other trigonometric equation. As suppose they solve the equation sec square 2x is equal to 1 minus tan 2x. 1 minus tan 2x. Let's see. This is also a very important question of your NCERT exercise. Your trigonometric equation is sin square sec square 2x is equal to 1 minus tan 2x. Let's see. First, dear students, we convert into the same trigonometric function as tan x, and we know that 1 plus tan square theta as sec square theta. We know that, na? 1 plus tan square theta as sec square theta. So we write sec square 2x as what? 1 plus tan square 2x. Okay, and here 1 minus tan 2x. Okay, write as it is. Now let's see. Here let's see, minus 1 cancel to each other, so we get what? Tan square 2x plus tan 2x is equal to 0. We write in this way, na? Yes. Now we take tan 2x as common, so we get tan 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. We write in this way also. Now first we take tan 2x is equal to 0, then we take this is equal to 0. If we take tan 2x is equal to 0, then 2x is equal to, we write as tan 0, because of tan 0 is equal to 0. Now we get tan x is equal to tan alpha. Then we know that if tan x is equal to tan alpha, then the general solution of this equation x is equal to n pi plus alpha, right? In previous class we discussed this formula, na? Okay. Now let's see, that is tan x is equal to tan alpha. So x is equal to x as 2x is equal to n pi plus alpha means 0. So we get what? X is equal to n pi by 2, where n belongs z. This is the one solution of the given trigonometric equation. Now we take this. Okay. Now if we take tan 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. If we take tan 2x plus 1 is equal to 0, then we get what? Tan 2x is equal to minus 1, that is tan 2x is equal to minus tan 45 as pi by 4, and also we write tan 2x is equal to tan pi minus pi by 4. Pi minus pi by 4, because of we know that sin 180 minus theta as what? Minus tan theta. So we write also in this way tan 2x is equal to tan 3 pi by 4. So this is the form of tan x is equal to tan alpha. So we have the general solution of that portion is 2x is equal to n pi plus alpha means 3 pi by 4. Now the value of x will be n pi by 2 plus 3 pi by 8. Here n belongs z. So this is the another answer of that equation. Okay. So dear students, first of all you revise all the questions which we discussed in this class. Then after you complete your NCERT, you can solve your NCERT exercise based on questions of trigonometric equation. So first, dear student, first you practice all the questions, okay, which we discussed today. Then after you remember all the formula for trigonometric equations and their proof also. Then you can solve all the questions of your NCERT exercise based on trigonometric equation. First, you revise all the questions. Okay. Now, dear student, in next class we take some other questions based on trigonometric equation. Okay. Thank you.